In this part of the video, we'll be covering the Venom experiment. So for this experiment, if you want to teach this to your own girls, you will need 1 packet of gelatin, 1/4 a cup of milk, preferably dyed red just to look like blood, a container to hold it all in, and a spoon or some sort of mixing utensil. So what this simulates is your blood system after getting bitten by specifically a rattlesnake or a viper, basically. So say you're walking in the woods, you're not watching where you're stepping, you step and you see you're bitten by a rattlesnake. What goes on in your blood when that happens? So this is supposed to represent your blood. Then you take a packet of just plain gelatin. You kind of pour it in. This is supposed to simulate the snake biting you. And you just kind of mix it in. And as you can see right away, it's kind of getting really chunky. This is supposed to be blood clots. So stir that in for a moment. Alright, that's as good as it's going to get. And while this is reacting, the gelatin is reacting to the blood, this would be a good time to teach first aid to your girls about what to do when a snake bites you, and come back in 5 minutes when this is done. Alright, so this is about after 5 minutes. As you can see, it's mostly turned to this big kind of homogeneous jelly. So this is one main reason, besides obvious health risks, why you should go to the hospital as fast as possible, because you really don't want the effects of the venom to get this drastic, and you overall just want to go to the hospital. So this is what your blood would look like after a little bit, after encountering the venom of a rattlesnake. Now, I am in the sun, so the gelatin is kind of melting a little bit. If you're indoors, this would be kind of more like firm and more of a jelly, but of course that varies on the environment around you. I hope you can use this experiment to help educate yourselves or the girls around you, or just use this as a fun experiment. Okay, bye!